Okay, just checking in before before New York, and I noticed that what we have is this was this morning's trade, really nice, and then we've come all the way back into the value area, and noticed that we've this imbalance here and little gap because this move was really fast. If you look at the candles in there, and then
Why it just quiet?
because I muted it so I could talk for a minute and then I'll turn it back on. And now this, you see, we've come back all the way because depending on what stories you like about in relation to imbalances and things like that, we've come back, we've filled that imbalance, and then we've moved away again. And now we've come back above the value area. I'm not going to trade anything like on this now until after New York Open, because I muted it for a minute, my man. I'll turn it on in a second. So yeah, we've come back, we've filled that imbalance, and now we've found buyers again, found strength again.
Can you turn it on?
It's moved quite fast again. We've made some more low volume nodes in there. But what I wanted to check was here was our entry from this morning from here. I want to see where else. Well, so we've got right down there. Crikey. It's a long way. So we've got some really big aggressive sells in around midday, and that's presumably what's been squeezed. Yeah, to get the run we've just had. But yeah, if you look, this has come in. Yeah. Wow. That's a size 602 buy.
Why you can't quiet?
So I could talk for a second because I'm recording this, so I can keep an eye on my trading for the day. So that's really good.
Hey, turn it on. Hey, turn it on.
You want to turn the sound on? I'll turn the sound on in a second. Yeah, as I say, I'm going to leave this now because I want to see a structural break, so a break of this high and or this high. Or of the low here. This is still very valid, very relevant. And then here we've got the imbalance here, or the low volume node. But if we break this, I would consider this my decision level for this range. And I would look for some such move, but that'll be later on. I'm in New York, so yeah, I got a little while to go yet. So I think I'm just gonna leave it and review this at the time because a lot can happen between now and a bit later. Here it looks like we I drew that in as a valid option, with this being a low volume node, making it something that I wasn't going to enter. I think really this is going to make the range for New York, which is going to be here. And at the moment, as it stands, like here. So we've got the high and we've got the low. And then our value area based on that. Got our low volume node in the middle that's already had a response but hasn't broken the highs. which means a potential decision level depending on how the profile looks and how the value area looks when we get to the session time. That's our potential decision level for a break retest and move higher. And then for the low, because of where the value area is for this range that we've been making this morning, we want to see that. So yeah, that's a low volume node as well. Cool. Okay, that looks good. I'm happy. I'm going to leave it there and come back in a
I just watched Caracal.
bit.